evaluate the following fractions. Here we have 3 1 by 2 plus 2 3 by 5. How we can evaluate this is you have to multiply this terms 3 times 2 is 6, and you have to add this with 1, so 6 plus 1 over 2, plus here you have to multiply this 2 times 5 is 10, and you have to add this with 3, so 10 plus 3 over 5. This 5 you have to write it here, or you have this is 7 over 2 plus 13 over 5. Here how you can do it, you just multiply this with the here you have to cross multiply these two terms. That is butterfly method, we have to use it. So when you're multiplying this, 7 times 5 is 35, and these two terms you have to multiply. 2 times 13 is 26, and add these two numbers and write it in the numerator. So 5 plus 1 is 5 plus 6 is 11, so 1 uh, here 1 is carry forward, and 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, over you have to multiply these two terms and then write 5 times 2 is 10, so you have to write it, but this is greater than 1, so you have this is a here we have to this is greater than 1, so you have to convert it into mixed fraction, so which is equal to this, just you have to write this 6 times 1 over 10. This is your answer. And here you have 3 times 1 over 2 into 2, 3 over 5. So again you have to do it, multiply this and add it and write it. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 over 2 times, here 2 times 5 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 over 5, which is equal to, here you have this term 13 times 7 is 91 over 2 times 5 is 10, and again you have to write this 9, write it here, and 1 over 10. This is your mixed fraction because 91 over 10 is greater than 1, so we have to convert it into mixed fractions. Greater than 1 is not allowed, so that's why that is an improper fraction, so we have to convert it into mixed fraction here. And come to this problem, again here also you have to multiply this term, 1 times 4 plus 3, so 1 times 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 over 4 divided by 2 over 3, which is equal to 7 over 4, and here you have division is there, so here you have to change this into multiplication, and you change this number, that is you have to take the reciprocal, the 2 comes denominator, 3 goes to the numerator, so 3 over 2 you have to write it, which is equal to 7 3 21 over 8. Okay, 21 over 8 we have, so here we had to write this to be how many times of 28, that is a 2 times 8 is equal to 16, and here 16 plus 5 is 21, so we have 5 over 8, like that you have to write it, that is you have to this time 21 and 8 you have to write, 2 times 8 is 16, 3 times 8 is 24, so you have to take 2 times 8 is 16, remaining you have 5, so you have to write this number 2 and 5 over 8. Okay, and in the same way we had to do this one. Here you have to multiply this, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so 7 over 2 divided by, here 2 times 5 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13 over 5. So here also 7 times 2, you have 7 over 2 multiplied by this. When you're changing this division into multiplication, you have to take convert the, that is you take the numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator, that is you have to take the reciprocal, so 5 over 13, which is equal to 7 times 5 is 35 over 26. This is also greater than 1, so you have to this is an improper fraction, so convert it into mixed fraction, So you just divide this by 26. So 1 times 26 is 26, and here you have 15. 15 you have to subtract this. 15 sorry, 15 minus 6 is 9, and here you have a 2, so 9. So this term can be written as 1 9 over 26. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more.